Hi everybody, we are going to study tenses today, and the tense which we are going to study today is present continuous. See, I told you there are three tenses basically: present, past and future, and all these three tenses have four forms: simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Now, in the last class you studied simple present tense, and today we are going to study present continuous tense. Okay? Now, in simple present tense you studied that we use this tense to write things, express things, actions that happen regularly. And in present continuous we express actions which are happening at the moment, which are in progress. You look at the name continuous and present. So by looking at the name you can very well understand that at present something is continuing, something is in progress. That is called present continuous. So let's look at the uses of present continuous tense. 1. To express something happening at the time of speaking. When I am speaking, suppose I say I am teaching you. I am teaching you present continuous tense. So what I am doing? I am teaching present continuous tense. So similarly, please don't disturb me. I am studying for an exam. So I am studying for an exam is in present continuous tense. At the moment, whatever is happening around, I can talk about it in present continuous. Second one, to talk about something connected with the present time. Present time means it is not exactly right now, but these days. When I say, for example, I am reading a novel these days. I am reading a novel, Harry Potter, these days. Or these days, more and more people are learning the use of computers. Fine. So we are talking about these days, not right now, but this present time. Or the most of the students are taking online classes these days. So that is so true. Then comes to express an arrangement in the near future. Something which I have planned not today, not right now, but for coming future, probably next week. I am going to America next week. So I am going to America. I am going. Again, so present continuous, but it is planning for the future. And then this also means I will go to America next week. Actually, present continuous is used for expressing something which I have planned for the future. Now, to express a persistent habit. Persistent habit, for example, my brother is always irritating me. Now, it is his habit to irritate me, but I talk about it in present continuous tense. My dog is very silly. She is always looking out for an opportunity to run out of the house into the neighbor's yard. So, she is always looking for an opportunity. This is in present continuous. So, this is present continuous is used to express some habit also. Like my mother is always cooking. No, she's not right now, but she's always cooking some new dishes. We can talk about it. So this is how we know the uses of present continuous. So present continuous is not used only for the things which are happening right now. It is also used for some future arrangement or talking of actions happening these days or some persistent or regular habit. Okay. Now let's look at the form of present continuous tense. Form means how it is written. Okay. So how do we write? We write subject plus is or are or am. Is, are, am plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. So we use ing form of the verb with is, are, am. Very simple. Only this much you have to remember. If the subject is singular, we use is. If the subject is plural, we use are, and if the subject is I, we use am. Clear? Now let's look at the examples of three types: affirmative, negative, and interrogative. I am cleaning my cupboard. So negative will be simple, just introduce not. I am not cleaning my cupboard. And interrogative, am I cleaning my cupboard? Second, we are leaving for the party. Negative, we are not leaving for the party, or here, are we leaving for the party? Then comes, she is talking on the phone, she is not talking on the phone, and is she talking on the phone? Now read these examples so that you get used to these kind of sentences. They are used, these kind of sentences you will need to know when you do transformation of sentences from one form to the another. You have already done transformation, in fact, so it must be easy for you. I have already explained, and those who did not understand transformation, now they can understand. Everyone is wearing a hat these days. Everyone is not wearing a hat these days. And is everyone wearing a hat these days? Neeta is always grumbling. Neeta is not always grumbling. And is Neeta always grumbling? Now you look at the transformation also. Any sentence you take, like from negative to affirmative, affirmative to interrogative, from interrogative to affirmative or negative, this is what you learn here. Go through these sentences. And somebody wrote to me that he did not understand transformation, so this is a revision of transformation. What is the assignment? There is a worksheet and then there is a question. Now please go through the worksheet attached, and you can write this worksheet either in your notebook or get a printout if you can, and paste it in your notebook. Right. So let's look at the worksheet, and we will solve this worksheet here so that you can do it in your notebook. Yes. So fill in the blanks with present continuous tense of the verbs in brackets. Let's see. They are enjoying the roller coaster ride. Are enjoying. Jill is washing her hair. Jill is singular, so Jill is washing her hair. It is getting very dark. The dentist is examining Sue's teeth. The train is passing through the tunnel. The men are working very hard in the sun. The teachers are having a meeting. We are making a snowman. The plane is flying above the clouds. What is the cinema showing today? Question. Then, I am playing chess with my friend. She is riding a horse. He is taking a walk in the park. We are rushing to the airport to meet Mr. Lee. The man is counting the money. They are practicing for the sports today. They are still sleeping. They are swimming in the sea. We are going camping tomorrow. I am starting piano lessons soon. Jim's parents are taking him to Australia next week. My favorite program is starting in a minute. All our friends are coming. I am visiting Joe next week. Where are you going for your holiday? So this is how you can change these numbers. You can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 to 25. Okay. So you can continue, do this exercise in your notebook, and you can submit to me. I'll create a link, right? By then